Goku's strength. It was incredible in terms of power. That's pure. This is something else. If anyone has what it takes to stop Jiren, it's this guy. Without question. Could this have been Jiren's goal all along? He came to Earth seeking someone with the power. Deep down, Jiren never lost sight of truth. Even at this moment while he's out of his mind.
So, great evil that Jiren was talking about is actually Goku because he's the only one who can stop it.
It makes sense to me. Since the others are brainwashed, he must have convinced them to come to Earth and do that.
That's amazing. That's Universe 11's strongest fighter for you. What incredible strength and will.
I'm worried. Still no sign of you yet. What could possibly be scheming next?
Probably nothing good, but we're a little too busy to go looking for him.
True enough. We need to deal with Jiren and the rest first. He will be our next problem to solve.
I can't keep this up.
This planet must be conquered. As we shine the light of justice upon its people, we must succeed no matter what it takes. That is not true justice.
Look at them.
Could it really be? Is Fuse hold on Jiren starting to weaken?
What's wrong?
Not who I am!
I think they're back to normal.
We've committed unspeakable acts. I am truly ashamed, Lord Belmont.
Man, I can't believe this. To think I could stray this far from the path of justice.
You've done some serious damage to the multiverse, but still, I'm relieved you're all back to normal.
I owe you many thanks for this.
No problem! And the bonus is we got to have our rematch, Jiren. It was a ton of fun, wasn't it?
You haven't changed a bit, have you?
Thank goodness. It looks like everything worked out.
It seems like, after Jiren's brainwashing let up, Dispo and Toppo were able to break free as well.
Have you made sure they're all safe?
Lord Beerus! Yes, things are in tip-top shape here.
Well, good. And you know, after all this trouble I went through, you'd better remember to pay up with some extra delicious Earth food.
No one had to be destroyed, right?
I mean, I would have wiped out the troopers if necessary. But you can thank Earth's warriors for their safety.
I am grateful for all you have done for us. It takes guts to stand against righteous warriors turned wicked. What a superb sense of justice you possess.
All right, let's not get annoying about it, please.
Sorry, folks. Your happy ending's been denied. 'Cause I'm not done yet. If they still don't have enough energy, then... Heads up!
Jiren!
Jiren!
What?
Topo!
In the end, you all die like flies. The weak are evil and without worth.
Jiren! Stop it! You're talking nonsense!
Strength is justice. Strength is absolute.
I was planning to do a lot more than this, especially by the time everyone got worn out. I was gonna supercharge the pride shooters like crazy, really give them an extra jolt of power to run wild with.
Run wild on Earth. Now that doesn't sound like you at all, Phew.
Oh, goody goody. You gonna lecture me all day again? Yeah, no thanks. I got better things to do. Hey,